Which is better daw? Is it CBank or GoTyme? Actually, they are both better and they are good banks. They are digital banks and legit po sila because they are both BSP regulated and PDIC insured. Ang pagkakaiba lang talaga is depende kung ano yung nakakatulong sa'yo for your daily transaction. Ito kasi si CBank is merong 15 times free transfer as of recording this video. Kaya nakakatulong yan sa'yo pag nag-transfer at nakakasave ka. And when you use your CBank debit card, pambayad, for example, sa grocery store, restaurant, meron niyang 1% cashback. And when you use your CBank debit card sa mga gasoline station, you get 3% gas cashback. As of recording this video, hanggang August 31, 2025, yung gas cashback niya. And as of recording this video, meron itong 3.5% interest per annum up to 1 million. In excess of 1 million, 3% na yung kanyang interest per annum. Pero daily po ang interest crediting ito. O, di ba? Magandang features yun ng CBank. Ito pong si GoTyme, maganda rin po ito. Pag ginamit niyo po yung GoTyme sa mga Robinson or sa mga grocery Robinson, you can use your GoTyme coins. Kahit wala na po kayong Go Rewards, you can use this and kapag naipon niyo po yung points, pwede po yung i-convert into cash sa inyong GoTyme app. Pwede niyo po siyang i-redeem. And ang magandang features po ni GoTyme talaga is meron po itong USD time deposit, which is maganda po talaga na wala pa akong nakikita ng digital bank na meron ganun. And meron tong pang check deposit. Pwede kang mag-deposit ng cheque dito. O, diba? Ang saya nun. And as of recording this video, 3.5% interest per annum, pero monthly po ang crediting nito. Para makakuha ka ng GoTyme cards, available yung mga kiosk nila sa mga malls or meron din sa Robinson Supermarket. Makikita mo yung kiosk ng GoTyme. Pwede kang mag-open ng GoTyme at makakuha ng GoTyme debit card. In my experience, nag-open kasi ako ng GoTyme app ko by App Store and nagpa-print na lang ako sa Robinson Supermarket. And that is free po. Free lang po ang card ni GoTyme. Sa mga wala pa pong CBank debit card and first ever debit card nyo po yung physical card ni CBank, pwede po kayo mag-order via CBank app and then mag-order na po kayo doon and 99 pesos po siya as of recording this video and pwede pong bumalik yung 99 pesos po ninyo upon ma-receive nyo po yung card and activate nyo po siya at nag-spend po kayo ng 5 times and no minimum required naman po yon and then on your 5th transaction, babalik po yung 99 pesos po ninyo. Which is better, CBank or GoTyme, nasa sa inyo po yan. Kung saan po kayo masaya, doon po kayo. Kung wala pa po kayong GoTyme, you can download it naman by App Store, Play Store at pwede po kayo makakuha ng mga cards or makakuha ng card ng GoTyme sa mga mall or sa Robinson Supermarket. At kung wala pa po kayong CBank, you can download it by App Store, Play Store and don't forget to use my referral code March26 to get a 75 pesos referral reward but making sure to hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days only. And I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.